Imagine you're sitting on the edge of your seat, waiting for the final score of a nail-biting football match. The same suspense you feel now is what many investors experience when considering Paysafe, a leading global payment solutions provider. Is Paysafe a profitable company? Let's dive deep into the numbers and uncover the truth. You've probably heard of Paysafe, especially if you've ever made an online purchase. But have you ever wondered if this company is making a killing? Let's find out together. Paysafe is a global leader in payment solutions, offering a wide range of services from e-wallets to prepaid cards. They operate in over 200 countries and territories, serving millions of customers worldwide. But with such a vast reach, comes the question, is Paysafe turning a profit? Historical performance. To answer this question, let's take a look at Paysafe's historical performance. Over the years, the company has experienced both ups and downs. There were periods of significant growth, fueled by strategic acquisitions and increased market penetration. However, there were also challenges, such as regulatory hurdles and intense competition. To get a better understanding of Paysafe's profitability, we need to examine key financial metrics like revenue, earnings, and profit margins. Revenue growth. Paysafe has consistently demonstrated strong revenue growth. This is primarily driven by the increasing adoption of digital payments and the company's ability to expand its customer base. By offering a diverse range of payment solutions, Paysafe has been able to capture market share in various regions. Profitability metrics. While revenue growth is important, it's essential to assess Paysafe's profitability. One key metric to consider is the company's earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, EBITDA. This measure provides a clearer picture of the company's operating performance, excluding the impact of non-operating factors. Paysafe's EBITDA has generally been positive, indicating that the company is generating sufficient cash flow from its operations. However, there have been fluctuations over time, influenced by factors such as acquisitions, investments, and market conditions. Profit margins. Another crucial aspect of profitability is profit margins. These metrics measure the percentage of revenue that translates into profit. Paysafe's profit margins have varied over the years, but the company has generally maintained healthy margins, reflecting its ability to control costs and generate revenue efficiently. Key drivers of profitability. Several factors contribute to Paysafe's profitability. These include diversified product portfolio. Paysafe's wide range of payment solutions helps to mitigate risk and capture opportunities in different markets. Strong partnerships. The company's partnerships with online merchants and financial institutions provide access to a vast customer base. Technological innovation. Paysafe's investment in technology enables it to stay ahead of the curve and offer innovative payment solutions. Regulatory compliance. The company's adherence to regulatory standards ensures its continued operation in various jurisdictions. Challenges and risks. Despite its strengths, Paysafe faces certain challenges and risks that could impact its profitability. These include intense competition. The payment industry is highly competitive, with numerous players vying for market share. Regulatory changes. Changes in regulations can create uncertainty and increase costs. Cybersecurity threats. The risk of cyber attacks is a constant concern for payment companies. Economic fluctuations. Economic downturns can affect consumer spending and impact Paysafe's revenue. Future outlook. Looking ahead, Paysafe's future profitability will depend on its ability to navigate these challenges and capitalize on emerging opportunities. The company's focus on innovation, strategic partnerships, and geographic expansion will be key to its long-term success. So, is Paysafe a profitable company? Based on the evidence, it appears that Paysafe has generally been a profitable business. The company has demonstrated consistent revenue growth, positive EBITDA, and healthy profit margins. However, it's important to recognize that the payment industry is dynamic and subject to risks. As Paysafe continues to evolve, investors will be closely watching its performance to assess its future profitability. If you're interested in learning more about Paysafe and its financial performance, I encourage you to do your own research. Check out the company's financial reports, analyst coverage, and industry news. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more in-depth analysis on the world of finance and investing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.